Yum 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 yum. Okay, so we got Gator bites here on my left, which is right here. In the middle we got fries, and on my right we have conch, some fried conch. Back to cooking my way with your girl Nifa. As you all could tell by the title, come a little closer. Exotic meat. Got some gator bites. Let's get started. So right here is where I'm gonna start my concoction. I got some buttermilk here. Pour that in there just like that. That should be enough. Lord, better be enough. It wasn't a whole, it's not. It's a half, whatever it's called. Not even a pint. Half a pint. But it ain't gonna cut. So I'm gonna take 1 egg. I think 1 egg should be enough. I'm gonna crack that egg. Crack that egg, and I'm gonna season up my buttermilk. I'm gonna season it up with some black pepper, some garlic powder, I need to buy some more. There's some accent, some Old Bay, and Sazon. All right, and I'm gonna just whisk this up. So here's my conch.
This the seashell, y'all.
It's been tenderized like about 3 times. So.
What kind of conch? Well, you don't got the box.
I'm gonna just put a few pieces in here. Yeah, it's already been tenderized, which is good.
This the meat will on below. Like, what's that meat? This is conch, y'all.
It's full of juice. That's all I'm gonna cook on that. Just rinsing it off, y'all. You don't have with this meat. You don't have to do a whole lot. Just rinse it off with cold water, please. Louisiana gator meat, y'all.
Hold on, you ain't focus on that.
Louisiana gator meat, y'all.
Bye, 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 bye.
Here we go. Here we go. I've never cooked gator meat. Never in my life cooked gator meat, but I have eaten gator meat.
On our channel, we went to
I think just rinse it off, right? It's like a slab. It's supposed to be bites.
Hey, you probably gotta cut it up. Fry it. It's the gator tail.
Yeah, I think I'm supposed to just cut this.
So like,
It's so tough.
yeah, it's the gator tail. Gator is tough. You cut them how small y'all want it, like.
Yeah, cut them to how you want to eat it.
We got conch with this too, so.
I ain't sure if I'm doing this right, so if anybody in there saying, "Oh, you ain't supposed to do it like that,"
It's cooking my way,
it's
baby.
cooking my way. So I do things my way, you do yours your way. Ain't no right or wrong way how to cook. I don't think so. So you just want this to kind of like sit in this juice and marinate. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna make the flour. Come on. Regular flour. Just regular flour. Parsley flakes. I didn't know what that was. This is Obey, y'all. Same thing I'm seasoning up this with. Alright, y'all, here we go. You want to get everything coated very, very well. Ooh, y'all, hold on now. I need this hand. These gator bites going in. Conch. Gator bite. Gator bite. Conch. Conch. I'm gonna turn it down. Gonna cook everything till it's brown, y'all. I don't know why it seems kind of like I feel like I'm new to this.
I mean, you cook conch in a long time. It's your first time cooking gator bites.
Yeah, I think I'm kind of a little nervous cooking it. But hey, first time for a lot of things, right?
That's conch, y'all. See how the conch look.
I guess I'm nervous because I want to make sure this stuff is cooked.
Conch. Yeah, that's conch too, huh?
Yeah, I think so, like
Oh,
little conch. I don't know, but we're gonna find out when we eat it. What's what?
Them nigga gator bites, I'm gonna cut them like that.
Alright, second round.
This whole process.
Y'all see that right there? That's some good stuff, boy. If y'all ain't never had conch, this is what you want. Isn't that right?
What? Just go to Miami, ask for some conch. You gonna find it.
Yep. If y'all ever go to Miami, y'all never had conch, find somebody who know where to conch at. The good conch. good stuff.
Shake that bottom now. Is it scared cat?
You didn't get burned by no juice yet.
I don't care about you calling me no scared cat, baby. I don't care. This is grease. Come on, y'all.
I got stung by grease on my eyebrow.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it up on this one. Yum 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 yum. Okay, so we got Gator Bites here on my left, which is right here. In the middle we got fries, and on my right we have conch. Some fried conch. You want to know what it tastes like? Let me try the Gator Bite. Oh, God, that's food. Excuse me. Amen.
And I'll be showing the conch.
Let's go good. I'll see y'all in the next video.
You know. That sounds good.
Okay. Yeah, so this was good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.